MINI has unveiled its latest addition to the electric vehicle market with the introduction of the MINI Aceman. The Aceman represents a significant step for MINI, marking the premiere of its first crossover model for the premium small car segment. This new vehicle combines compact exterior dimensions with a spacious interior and an all-electric drive, staying true to MINI's commitment to innovation and sustainability. The MINI Aceman embodies a contemporary interpretation of the classic MINI inventor Sir Alec Isagoni's vision, emphasizing maximum space utilization within a minimal footprint. Despite its compact size, the Aceman offers room for 5 comfortable seats within a vehicle length of just over 4 meters. MINI has integrated innovative technologies to enhance the interior, providing an immersive digital user experience. Stephanie Wurst, head of MINI, expressed excitement about the Aceman, highlighting its immersive digital experience and versatility. With its sleek design and all-electric drive, the Aceman promises to deliver the characteristic MINI go-kart feeling while navigating city streets with ease. From the outside, the MINI Aceman exudes sporty agility and self-assured presence. With its streamlined front end, robust contours, and athletic stance, the crossover model epitomizes agility and confidence on the road. Measuring just over 4 meters in length, the Aceman is positioned between the MINI Cooper and the MINI Countryman, offering a perfect balance of size and versatility. The exterior design features expressive elements such as standard roof rails, visually accentuated wheels, and underride protection, highlighting the vehicle's adventurous character. The front-end design boasts striking LED headlights and a remodeled grille, giving the Aceman a distinctive and recognizable appearance within the MINI family. Inside the MINI Aceman, a purist design approach prevails, reflecting MINI's commitment to simplicity and functionality. The interior features spacious door interiors, comfortable seating, and a wide-ranging material concept. The cockpit is equipped with a central OLED display and a remodeled toggle bar, echoing the design elements of the classic MINI while incorporating modern technology. The panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of space, while ambient lighting creates a personalized atmosphere. The interior design is characterized by curved surfaces, knitted materials, and high-quality finishes, offering both comfort and style to occupants. The MINI Aceman boasts cutting-edge technology aimed at enhancing the driving experience and connectivity. The circular OLED display provides high-resolution graphics and intuitive controls, while the MINI Experience modes offer customizable settings for a personalized driving experience. The MINI Intelligent Personal Assistant enables voice-controlled interaction, allowing drivers to access navigation, telephony, and entertainment functions effortlessly. Advanced assistance systems such as Driving Assistant Plus and remote parking further enhance safety and convenience on the road. Powered solely by an all-electric drive, the MINI Aceman offers locally emission-free mobility without compromising on performance. 2 variants, the MINI Aceman E and the MINI Aceman SE, feature different power outputs and battery capacities to suit varying driving needs. The Aceman E is equipped with a 135 kilowatts electric motor, providing a range of up to 310 kilometers, while the Aceman SE boasts a higher output of 160 kilowatts and a range of up to 406 kilometers. Both models offer quick and easy charging options, with fast charging capabilities and battery management features for optimized efficiency. The MINI Aceman is available in 4 different trims, each offering individual customization options to suit personal preferences. From the Essential trim with maximum clarity to the JCW trim inspired by motorsports, customers can choose the variant that best reflects their style and driving preferences. With its innovative design, advanced technology, and efficient all-electric drive, the MINI Aceman is set to redefine the premium small car segment. As MINI continues to pave the way for an all-electric future, the Aceman represents a bold step toward sustainable mobility without compromising on style or performance.